Most of the users turn to Google if they're looking for tech restoration services, and as a business provider, you need to be found on top of Google if you wish to draw more clients as well as business. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can draw more traffic as well as relevant clientele through organic SEO for tech restoration business. Apart from finding the most relevant key phrases based upon market research as well as diligent competitor research, we did work on the technical aspects of SEO for the website. In this, we did work on issues pertaining to crawlability, indexability, as well as the performance of the website. Content optimization will always have an impact in terms of SEO rankings, and that's what we did work upon based upon targeted key phrases. A lot of promotions happen through blogs, press releases, ebooks, and even webinars to generate more relevant traffic. At the end, the results were there for everybody to see. There was a huge increase in organic traffic. Apart from that, 77% increase in organic users, new users, as well as sessions on the website. Page views also improved drastically. We were able to generate 200 plus leads through organic SEO based upon consistent and diligent work over a couple of months. In case you are running any tech restoration business or any roofing contractor business, feel free to get in touch with us. We surely can help you to promote your business online. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.